Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make Margherita pizza in Dreamlight Valley. This classic dish is a fantastic way to restore your energy and earn some star coins. We will go through each step, from gathering the 3 essential ingredients to cooking it perfectly. It is a straightforward recipe that anyone can master, providing a great boost for your daily adventures. Let's get cooking. To craft your Margherita pizza, you will need 3 specific ingredients. First, secure 1 unit of tomato, which is crucial for the rich sauce. Next, you will need 1 unit of cheese to give it that creamy, savory flavor. Finally, gather 1 unit of wheat, which forms the base of your delicious pizza dough. Make sure these 3 items are in your inventory before heading to a cooking station. Once you have all 3 ingredients, 1 unit of wheat, 1 unit of tomato, and 1 unit of cheese, head over to any cooking station. Place all 3 items into the cooking pot. The game will automatically recognize the recipe for Margherita pizza. Simply select it from your recipe list, and you are almost ready to enjoy your culinary creation. It is a very simple process. With your ingredients combined, the final step is to cook your pizza. You will need 1 unit of coal to power the stove. Once cooked, your Margherita pizza is ready. This delightful dish restores a substantial 1,676 energy, making it perfect for long days of exploring. Additionally, you can sell it for 293 star coins, offering a nice financial boost.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.